Crayon resist. Materials: copy paper, white crayons, watercolor paint, paintbrush, water, plastic container. Optional materials: watercolor paper. For your crayon resist snowflake, start with a white piece of paper. Take a white crayon and create a thick border near the edges of the paper. Make sure the crayon goes over an area more than once and to press down firmly with it. Inside the white crayon border, draw a dot to be the center of your snowflake. From the dot, draw 4 lines extending. Add multiple V-shaped lines down each of the 4 lines at even intervals so each line goes through the V-shaped point. Now add a smaller line between each of the 4 lines. Add multiple V-shaped lines to these smaller lines as well, with even spacing and the line going through the V-shaped point. Add small dots around the snowflake. Wipe your paper down to get rid of any loose crayon bits. Wet your paintbrush and load it up with blue watercolor. Apply the paint around the center dot of your snowflake in sweeping circles. Your snowflake drawing is slowly revealed the more you paint the paper. Crayons are wax-based, so the paint is not absorbed by the wax. The crayon resists the paint. Be sure to paint all over the paper, including the edges. Add purple paint to the snowflake in sweeping circular strokes. Let the paint fully dry. Now you have a crayon resist snowflake. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@Home.